Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Middleware.AiAcademy, and what we are going to learn today? Today we will learn how to download and install three important tools: PuTTY, MobaXterm and WinSCP. These tools will help us to connect to Linux servers, transfer files and manage our practice labs efficiently. So let's get started. First, let's log in to Linux machine first. So first we are going to log in here, and now let's log in with root user. Wait a little, you have to be patient for every work here. So now open terminal, maximize a little for better visibility of course. Again, yes. Now run the command ifconfig and copy the IP address. Let's open the browser. I have done it. Now open the browser and download PuTTY. PuTTY. For Windows, go to the first link, not the first link, just wait. Yes, the first link, and let's install now. Now we have to select the first option here, PuTTY 64-bit x86. Just click on it. It has started downloading here, and now we are going to our downloads, and here is our PuTTY. We have installed it. Just press the button next and install. It will take a little bit time, so be patient until it gets installed. Let's download the MobaXterm. So I'm going to Google again and download MobaXterm for Windows. Search the button. Let's download both. Hopefully we will use the installer edition. So we are going to select for the installer edition. Yup, yes. So it has also started downloading. Let's come back to PuTTY installation. Let's see what's the status over there. Where is PuTTY? PuTTY. It's loading. Let's see what's happening over here. Okay, MobaXterm is working here. I'm going to check again. It's loading. So just finish, and again let's start PuTTY. Yes, minimize all the windows, and here it is PuTTY. Under host name, enter the IP address. Oops, it seems like I copied private IP. So let's copy the public IP now. Here I have copied the public IP. Now let's log in again with root user. Run a command cat /etcos release. Here, fine. Now let's see if MobaXterm is installed or not. It's taking some time. So let's download WinSCP now till MobaXterm get downloaded, because it is taking time. 2 minutes are left only. Search in Google WinSCP for downloads for Windows. Of course, click on the first link, and here download WinSCP, the first version, this one. Cross this add. After this, so let's install WinSCP. Install for all users are recommended. Press button yes, accept, next, again next, and then press the button install. After this, it's installing. Just minimize all the windows. Let me uncheck the second option and click on finish. Okay, so in host name, enter the IP address and root user credentials. Now, again, copy the IP address here and paste it. And now root user name, password, and click on login. Now we can see home directory of root user at right hand side panel. Let me create a test file on my desktop and drag it to root desktop. So here, so let me check now. Yes, it's here. So that's how we copy files from Windows to Linux. So wait. So let's see the status of MobaXterm now. It's still not downloaded, I think. Okay, let's see. Yes, so let's install now. Double click on the installer, click on next, accept the license agreement, and click on again next, install, again next, now install, yes. To continue, we can ignore this .dat file warning. We have it with installer file here. Hit ignore and continue. Now just wait a little. Yes, now press the button finish. Let's start MobaXterm. It's taking few seconds. Wait. Now you have to wait. Usually takes some time. Waiting, and now you have to click here. Where is allow? Yes, click allow. Now click on session and enter IP address. Let's copy and paste. Let's copy and paste. Here, wait. We are going to copy from here again and go back and paste here. Click on OK and accept. Now click on to continue. Enter root credentials now. And here we have logged in successfully. Now let's run a command cat /etc/os release. Yes. So finally, again I'm going to wait. Yes, cat /stun. Okay. So finally we are done. So we have learned how to download and install PuTTY, MobaXterm and WinSCP. So let's close and power off now. Hope you liked the video. and please don't forget to like, because it motivates me as I'm new here. I'm trying to do my best, so please like, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. Stay tuned.